Quick guide, cleaning water taps from the inside. Welcome back to Clean Life Blog, your ultimate source for all things clean and tidy. In today's video, we're going to show you a simple yet effective method to clean water taps from the inside. Let's get started. First, turn off the water supply to the tap to ensure your safety. Next, remove any decorative caps or handles covering the tap's screws. Use a screwdriver to gently unscrew and remove the tap handle. Once the handle is off, carefully remove the cartridge or stem assembly from inside the tap. Soak the cartridge or stem assembly in a bowl of white vinegar for about an hour to break down mineral deposits and grime. While it's soaking, take an old toothbrush and scrub the inside of the faucet housing to remove any built-up gunk. After an hour, remove the cartridge or stem assembly from the vinegar, and give it a thorough rinse with water. Reassemble the tap by placing the cleaned cartridge or stem assembly back into the faucet housing. Screw the tap handle back on and replace any decorative caps or handles. Finally, turn the water supply back on, and check for any leaks. Your tap should now be clean and functioning smoothly. And there you have it, a clean water tap from the inside, ensuring a healthier and safer water source for you and your family. For more detailed instructions and tips, visit Clean Life Blog for the full article on this topic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful cleaning tips and tricks. Stay clean and stay tuned to Clean Life Blog.